Welcome to Teaching Tree Academy. Do subscribe to our channel and like the videos. In this video, we are going to study about the various types of manufacturing industries, their approaches and production methods. So let's begin with the classification of manufacturing industries. The manufacturing industries will be classified under three categories. First is primary industries. These industries are nothing but the farming, fishing, mining industries, petroleum industries, and so on. The cultivation and exploitation of the natural resources takes place in these primary industries. Next is secondary industries. The output from the primary industries will be processed in the secondary industries. The example for the secondary industries are steel manufacturing industries, textile industries, construction industries, and so on. Third category is tertiary industries. In these industries, the distribution of goods and services takes place. The distribution of goods nothing but the distribution of the manufactured goods directly to the customers. Example of that is supermarkets. And in the tertiary industries, there are certain service sectors that are available. The example of these service sectors include education sector, transportation, tourism, and so on. So if I go on mentioning the example of these primary industries like farming, petroleum industries, fishing, forestry, and so on. And in the secondary industries, with the steel manufacturing, the textile industries, construction industries, and so on. So these are the examples of the primary industries, secondary industries, and tertiary industries. If I mention the flow of product, it will be from primary industries to the secondary industries. So the raw material will be available in the primary industries. So that raw material will be processed in the secondary industries, and that will reach the customers through the tertiary industries. So ultimately it reaches to the customer or consumer. So this will be the flow of product from primary to secondary, secondary to tertiary, and tertiary to the customers. Now we study about the types of production approaches. There are three production approaches that any manufacturing industries will follow. Those approaches are make to stock, make to assemble, and make to order. So let's understand the meaning of these three with a simple diagram. The author Gerstenmann in his journal, he described about the make to stock, make to assemble, and make to order with this simple diagram. So here on one side there will be supplier, on either side there are customers. The red dots that you are able to see here are the order penetration points. Order penetration point nothing but the supplier will consider the order from the customer or consumer at that particular point. So in case of make to stock, all the products will be kept ready. The final products will be kept ready to use by the customers. So the customers will go to any shops or any retails or any supermarkets and purchases certain goods which are already ready to use. So I can mention the example for these make to stock are like supermarkets. The second is make to assemble. In this case, the suppliers or the manufacturers will keep the individual components of the final product ready. So as and when the customer provides the order, and based on his or her requirement, the supplier or the manufacturer will assemble those individual components and the final product will be ready. So example of this make to assemble, I can mention the fabrication of furnitures. So individual components will be kept ready. So as per the requirement of the customer, the suppliers will assemble those individual components and make the final product ready. And in case of make to order, all the raw material will be kept ready. As and when the customer provides the order, using those raw materials, the production process starts. I can give the simple example for this is a restaurant. So all the raw material in the restaurant will be in the form of ingredients. So what the customer orders from the menu, so as per that order, the cook or chef will prepare that food. For that, all the ingredients will be kept ready. Nothing but raw material will be kept ready. And based on the order, the supplier will process it. So this is so simple, right? So three approaches for the production: make to stock, make to assemble, and make to order. Next is production methods. So basically there are three production methods widely used by the manufacturing industries. The first one is job production. Job production, nothing but producing a single job at a specific period of time. The example in this picture shown here, a designer cloth is prepared as per the customer requirement. A single job that will be produced at a time. The example of this is the bigger ships, bridges, buildings, and so on. So only one job will be completed at a time. Next is batch production. So in this batch production, you can see this picture of a bakery. So in a batch production case, a specific number of products will be manufactured in a batch. The number of components may be 50 or 100. So those 50 set of components will be prepared at a time. So in case of batch production, a specific number of items will be manufactured at a time. I can give the example of simple bakery. where a specified number of loaf of breads will be prepared, and once they are consumed, then only they go for manufacturing the next batch. And third method is flow production. It is also called as continuous production or mass production. So in this case, the demand will be predicted based on the previous data, and the production will be on a continuous basis. The example for this is the assembly line of a car. And the cold drinks. So here in this image you can see the production of cold drinks. That will be happening on a continuous basis. So the demand from the consumer will be already predicted as per the previous year's data or previous month's data, and the production will be happening on a continuous basis. That's the reason it is called as a continuous production. So this was about a brief to the classification of manufacturing industries, various production approaches, and the production methods. So thank you.